Sawadee-ka! At mabuhay mga kasansi! Panibagong episode naman po ang inyong aabangan ngayong year 2.
Salam! Shlonek, Shakbarek, Shalumek, Kaypalhal! Marhaba to all our kasansi out there! It's another Friday again with full of love, happiness, and excitement only here at
Sam
and Quiz
the Podcast! Alright mga kasansi, another year, another Songkran!
The water festival to ng mga Thai.
Yeah, for this year, this is a second year celebration na ng ating mga Thailand community dito po sa Kingdom of Bahrain.
They are not just only celebrating here in Bahrain,
Yes.
they are celebrating also
In Thailand! Shoutout sa Sawadee-ka to our Thai community here po sa Kingdom of Bahrain. Siyempre, shoutout din po dyan sa ating mga Thai sa Thailand.
There's a similar traditions like in the
Yes.
Philippines. You know San Juan?
Correct.
Yes.
Yung basaan, di ba?
Yes.
Basaan. Yan yung similarity po sa Filipino, ang Songkran 2025. And congratulations because they're celebrating their second year of celebration dito sa Bahrain.
Second year coverage na rin.
Kasi last year po mga kasansi, na-cover din natin ang Songkran Festival 2024. Talagang, ibang level. Nagpapasalamat tayo sa Thailand
I was
community.
remembered that ang damit ko yata nun parang may mga parang sunflower or something.
Ako naman parang medyo orange sa atin na stripe.
Nag-match naman.
Nag-match naman, di ba? At syempre pa, last year po, ginamit natin ang escalator. Ngayon naman, ang elevator.
At least may ito.
So, pag-entrance, di ba?
Right now, mga kasansi, you are looking around.
Yes.
Right here, right now, in Oasis Mall.
May mga
there's a lot of
bazaars.
Kiosks.
Yes. At talaga namang iikutin natin siya mga kasansi today as they're celebrating these 3 days. Mula May 1, May 2, and May 3. Natapat ang Labor Day, ha?
Labor Day.
Kaya holiday.
Tao. Especially by tomorrow, no?
Yes, it's Friday tomorrow. Maraming dadagsa. Siyempre yung mga Thailand. Talagang, alam mo, anong na-miss mo dito sa Songkran?
Na-miss ko, I think, the Thai food.
Yes, true.
The Thai food, their delicacies, their sweets. So,
yes,
talagang
ang dami nating na-miss. Talagang number 1 na nga dyan yung pagkain. Diba?
And of course, with the supervisions and organized by
Brand Me! Shoutout po. At saka, try natin makausap si Miss Christina. Talagang busy pa siya ngayon.
And of course, yung kanyang isang
co-founder sa Brand Me, si Miss Lex. Makakasama natin siya later on. Na talaga na mga exciting to mga kasansi as we cover the Songkran 2025.
Yes, in second year coverage na.
Second year na to mga kasansi. Kaya naman welcome again dito sa Songkran 2025. Abangan nyo ang ating covers mga kasansi. Let's go! Alright mga kasansi, nandito tayo ngayon sa isang stall.
Yes.
Ito, hindi talaga nawawala every year.
Yes, every year. You're always here, right?
Yes, ang SC Market. Wow. Accessories naman ngayon.
Accessories.
Yeah, you have shop here. Yes, alright. Hello, Sawadee-ka, madam.
Wow, it's nice to see you again.
It's nice to see you. Last year, you're here also? Last year, you are here also.
Yeah, last year I'm also here.
So now you are introducing the accessories from Thailand.
This one silver 92.5, E-code with 18K. And make hazelnut with the pearl.
Handmade. How about this?
This one like Thai natural.
So nice. Wow, I like it.
Sansi ha, grabe yung mga accessories sila ha. So invite everyone to visit you. Where's your shop here in Bahrain?
Come visit us in Market Street in Omar Hassan. I have counter stand over there. So thank you very much.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Sawarika. Thank you. Alright, yes mga kasasi, another here.
Yes.
Ang Askar Clinic.
Askar Clinic.
Yes.
You are dedicating your teeth.
Yes.
You have to visit Askar Clinic.
Yes.
And
We are here now at one of the owner, Dr.
Yes, the
Askar.
owner and the
Yes.
doctor as well.
Yes, Dr. Askar is here.
Hello everyone. Hi, you're most welcome. Hopefully we'll see you in our clinic for a consultation and checkup.
So as we all know, more discount for Filipino.
Of course. We have our special rates for the Kabayan and Filipino. Just ask our front desk. They will give you all the special rates.
Yes, you know,
You
Sam,
will
I will
trust
never forget Askar Clinic. Do you remember the Halabira?
Yes, they are
Yes.
there. Of course, you won.
I won.
Yeah, he won
Yeah.
e-bike.
The day that I won that scooter,
Yeah.
the
Not
next
allowed.
day- not allowed.
Not allowed in
I
Bahrain.
think the owners of the scooters now are very upset with it.
Now I keep it already at my home and without removing the plastic.
Yes, it's displayed.
Maybe later.
Later, yeah. We will keep it. And
Oh.
to all our kabayan, please
Yes.
visit
Askar
Askar
Clinic.
This is located in Adlia Tower.
Adlia Tower.
And there's a special prices
For
and discount
kabayan.
for all kabayans. Yes.
Once again, Dr. Askar. Talaga,
Askar.
we're so happy.
Welcome. I'm very happy to be here again.
Thank you so much, Doc. Thank you. Yes, alright mga kasali, itong na-miss natin,
Yes.
Mama Biba. Siyempre, ang pagkain ng Thailand. At siyempre, narito tayo kasama natin ang Shada
Restaurant. Yes.
You know what? Your food is so delicious.
Yes.
Ever since.
And you know,
Pad Thai.
and you know, Sam, this is not just only delicious.
Yes.
But if you will visit them,
Very
the
authentic. No?
authentic Thai food.
Yes.
Also very reasonable price.
Correct. Sawadika! Yes, how are you?
สวัสดีค่ะ
So what do you
Very
call
nice
this?
food.
กะเพราไก่
Kapaw. Oh, this is one of my favorite.
This is
Thai
spicy.
kapaw.
Spicy.
Spicy. A bit only. Yes.
Okay.
And then this is
Pad Thai.
Pad Thai.
Very authentic, talagang cultural to. Pag sinabing Thailand, Pad Thai.
Pad Thai. And
Kung sa
right
atin,
now,
Mickey Bihon.
yes, and right now they're doing the live cooking.
Yes,
They
they have the live cooking.
Pad Thai.
Pad Thai.
This is one of the signature food of every
Yes.
Thai landi.
Ang
Yes.
Yan, at syempre pa, here we have the...
Yes.
Chicken satay.
Oh, they're very famous for the
They're
chicken
famous for
sauté.
this. Same as like Malaysia and Indonesia.
Yes, chicken sauté.
Yes. Chicken. Yes, this is
Chicken-
the one nice. Yeah, before
Wow.
we eat, no?
And what's that?
This one.
It's
This
Finnish.
is the one.
Yeah.
This is
Oh,
the very good
yes,
one.
yes. Only sugar.
If you remember in Salmania Garden, you make this one. It's so nice.
Wow,
Nice food.
that's very nice.
Very nice.
Of
Very
course. Yes.
nice.
Once again,
Nakasahan si Shada Restaurant.
Shada
Oo.
Thai
Where is
restaurant.
your restaurant located?
Huh?
Your restaurant located?
in the Hara Plaza
Malasa?
Hara Plaza
Ala Plaza.
Hala Plaza. Okay.
Yes, in Sigea,
Visit
yeah.
them, yes.
In Sigea, yes.
Once again, Shada Restaurant.
Shada Restaurant.
Try nyo, masarap to. Very authentic.
Mm.
Alright, mga kasansi, kasama naman natin. We are here at Naja Thai Tea. Sawadika!
Sarika.
How are you?
good
Good.
Yes.
So nice. Bubble milk.
What is
tea?
Naja Thai tea? So that same like a bubble tea?
yes
Wow.
Milk tea, no?
yeah it's milk tea
How many flavors you have right now?
in the food truck
Yeah.
yeah we have the food truck only one
What? No, I mean the flavors.
Flavors. How many flavors you have?
oh
Yes.
we have the menu here
Oh, a lot. It's here.
Come on.
I cannot see. So, yes,
No?
they have
So
Thai
much.
tea, they have green tea, Taiwanese,
Yeah.
taro, fresh milk, and
Correct.
one of my favorite is the brown sugar. You
Yes, the
have?
brown sugar.
Wow.
We want to try the brown sugar. Can we order two?
Yes.
Okay,
We
alright.
wanted that too. Yeah.
Thai tea? Yeah, nice one. I want
Thai
also
tea.
Thai tea.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
okay.
please.
Alright,
So,
we will come back to take it, ha?
yes.
Yes, yes.
Do you have a
Physical
social media?
store?
yeah we have the social media
Yeah. What's your social media account?
show your
Also, where's your food truck located?
the sea.
Al Najma?
Yeah, behind Jasmine.
Behind Jasmine sa Al Najma
Jasmine.
area.
In Al Najma.
Yes.
Okay. So,
They have the
Nadja
physical
Taiti,
store.
no? Taiti.
Nadja, wow.
What is your name?
Mew.
Mew? Ah,
I am
Mew.
Meow. You're Mew, I'm Meow.
And I'm Ow.
Alright,
Yes.
mga kasansi, visit them. Nasa Al Najma yung physical
Yes.
store nila. Talagang masarap,
Mm.
no? What is
Thank-
Thai food what is Thai language for delicious?
Aloy.
Aloy. Aloy.
Aloy, aloy.
Thank you, Mew.
Thank
We will
you,
come back to
Mew.
you.
We'll come back to you.
Okay? For this
Okay.
time.
Yes.
Okay? Once again, Nadja Taiti, mga kasansi.
Mga kasansi.
Visit their physical stores at the back of Jasmine.
Jasmine,
In Al Najma.
Right, yes, mga kasansi, kasama natin ang
Costless Bahrain. So,
At syempre,
alam mo
Lucky
ba,
Charm.
ang Costless Bahrain is very famous sila sa online selling.
At talagang
Oo.
nakikita natin sa TikTok yan.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
So right now, ano bang mga sino-showcase mo?
Yes, kasama natin si Ate Lucky Carol.
Okay, so mga suki sa Bahrain, nandito kami ngayon sa Oasis Mall, ground floor before Carrefour, right?
Yes.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Songkran. So, kailangan yung bumisita at sa mga kabayan, huwag tayong magpatalo. Dapat sumuporta sa iba't ibang event sa Bahrain. Lalo sa mga Pilipino na tulad nating lahat. Dito! Laban!
Yes. Ang gaganda naman ng mga
5.5
dress.
po ang 5.5 lang po. 5.5 lang po ang ating tie-dye t-shirts. Okay, meron tayong different sizes.
Different colors din.
Different color also. Meron din tayong iba't ibang paninda dito. Meron tayong mga handmade na bags, wallets, different prices. Meron din tayo dito mga Lucky Charms.
Lucky Charm.
Mga scrunchies, different bags from Costless, made in Thailand.
So ganda nito, oh.
Dito, punta lang tayo dito sa Oasis Mall ground floor, mga kabayan.
Pag pupunta ako ng fish market, dala-dala na yun,
Ako mag-aatin ako ng binyag.
Bahrain, Thailand.
Ayan, thank you
Yes.
so much, Ate Carol. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Costless and Lucky Carol.
Once again, Costless Bahrain.
Lucky
and Lucky Carol. Wow.
Yes, we are here na mga kasansi sa
I'm Sophie!
Wow.
Diba?
Ang bongga ng I'm Sophie.
Diba?
Okay.
Meron din naman tayo niyan eh.
Oo.
Ang piso.
Pag nakatalikod,
Yes.
ang piso. Pag
Ang
nakaharap,
So this is all Thai products.
Sawadee ka, madam.
Sawadee ka, madam.
Manay. Hello,
How are
ma'am.
you?
How are you?
Yes.
Somebody.
What's your name?
My name is Nutaya.
Nutaya. You're from Thailand?
Yes.
Wow.
My name is Nutella. She's Nutella. I'm Nutella.
Yes.
Hello, madam. For this one, this is your accessories and different
Yes.
soap. This one.
Hello. Yeah, I see this one so many Thai people.
Yes, fancy soap.
Fruit.
This is very famous in Thailand. Inhaler, no?
Yes.
Inhaler.
Every Thai people, they have this.
Yes, of
Yeah.
course.
Because
It's 2-in-1, like inhaler plus massage oil.
Aside from perfume, this is
Yeah.
perfume also or oil.
It's oil.
Oh, nice. So relaxing.
so relaxing.
Ah,
Hindi matay.
it's so relax.
Yes, lavender.
Lavender.
So how much is this?
Ang bongga.
5
It's 5 BD only. But this is very special prices here.
You
Yeah.
can have ground.
No, I mean here.
Yeah.
Right now in Songkran,
Yeah.
it's a special prices. Wow.
Nice mga kasansi. Very nice.
Okay.
Visit, of course, Sophie. You have a
Sophie.
physical store here in Bahrain.
Yeah, in Thai Mart Mall.
Thai Mart.
Thai Mart Mall.
Gate number 9 of Dragon City is the Thai Mart.
Gate number 9.
Gate number 9, opposite. Opposite. All right.
Yes.
Visit them. Sophie. For the Philippines, you know what? Piso. In Philippines,
Yeah.
1 peso
1
coin.
peso.
Ang piso.
Sophie.
So once again, Sophie. Visit them. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
madam. Yes, mga kasansi, kasama naman natin ang Barauka!
Best! So,
Their product is Your Best.
Skincare from Korea. We made from top tier factory in Korea. No chemical, no perfume, no paraben. And it's suitable they're all natural, suitable for all skin type. Especially if you have a sensitive skin, this one very good.
I'm using your products. Recently, I came to your place in Thai Mart. I buy the package 1, the 3.
Yeah,
I'm
nice.
using right now. I really like it. Do you remember that the first time you came here, like last year, I took the other one, 811, I think so. That's nice. So when I try to find their shops, I buy 3.
Yes, mga kasansi.
Today we have very good offer.
What is the offer?
To our shop, they sell 7 BD each, but here you buy 3 piece, only 10 BD.
Oy! So nice promo.
I can assure you, you will
Yeah.
buy to their products.
Bongga to.
Yes.
Talagang subok na ang product. Yes, thank you so much. Your store is located at Thai Mart. Yeah.
This is our customer result. Real
This is-
result.
Yes. You see, this is the reality now.
Yes, mga kasansi, if you wanted to have a glass skin,
Oh.
please visit Baraukat and try their
Your Best
beauty
product.
products. Your best.
Yes,
Right
thank-
now, it's a 3-day celebration in Songkran.
Yes, they are
Each
here.
of the serum, it's cost 7 BD.
7
But right
BD.
now, 3 for 10
Oh
dinars.
my God.
I'm going to come
That's a
back.
big discount, ah.
Yes.
Yes, very big.
I think this is the one I took. I took 2 of this and I took 1 of this.
Ah,
Yeah.
bongga. Alright.
Wow.
Yes, mga kasansi, visit the Baraukat sa Thai Mart, ah. Meron silang shop
Thai
doon,
Mart,
physical
yeah.
shop. Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, yes mga kasansi, narito tayo ngayon sa SC Market.
Yes, mga kasansi, if there's a SC Market accessories, nandito naman tayo sa
Mga
SC Market Gulayan.
Yes, at syempre pa, ito pa, nakakatuwa kasi meron tayong
Magic Mais.
Alam mo
Wow.
mga kasansi na feature natin to, yun naman siya
Yes.
tayo with Miss
Oo,
Leg
oo.
sa Thai farm nila sa Tubi.
Oo.
Oo.
All
Nga.
the vegetables of SC
Yes.
Market came from their own farm.
Fresh na fresh yan. At syempre, ito may fresh tayong corn.
Yan, corn. Ay, masarap. Ay, iba-iba yung kulay.
Ay, colorful.
May yellow, may white.
Wow. Ayan.
Wow.
Ito po yung tinatawag pag nag-joke ka ng corny. Oo, di ba?
Dito ay maisation.
State of the nation. I-try ninyo na ko, mga kasansi, ang SC Market.
Yeah.
Hi, madam! How are you? Hello!
Wow.
Yes! Invite naman ang everybody.
Lahat ba to galing ng Thai farm?
Thai farm.
Lahat.
Fresh na
Oo,
fresh. ha?
fresh.
Grabe.
Meron
Fresh na
silang
fresh.
toge.
Okay.
Ano sa Tagalog? Sa English?
Sprout, ano ba yun?
Taugs.
Taugs. Sprout, di ba?
Sprout.
Okay, sprout mo.
And this is the
talong.
eggplant.
Yes,
Mm.
sa Tagalog talong, pero ito ta-short kasi maliit lang siya.
Oh. Wow. Oh. Magkano ganito yung sitaw nyo? Magkano to?
ganyan?
Oh,
180,
diba?
diba?
Ang tawag
Fresh na fresh.
lady strings?
Hindi.
Ano?
String beans.
Oo.
Meron ba kayong lady finger? Yung okra? Wala na. ubos na.
Wala silang
Ay,
okra.
ubos na yung okra. Ay, meron ding ano, yung mga beans.
Oh, bataw yata to. Ay, hindi.
Ano ba to?
Ano to?
Ha?
Oo.
Ay, oo, may mga flower na.
May yung mga buto-buto na yan.
Oo, bongga. So nice.
Yan, bok choy. Ito yung kinuha natin.
Paborito mo yan.
Oo, yung
Bok
kinuha
choy.
namin. It's good for steam.
Yes. Laban.
Yes.
At syempre, they have the kangkong!
Oo.
Kangkong!
Masarap yan.
Masarap.
Igisa at masarap yan gawing adobo.
Yes, adobong kangkong. At syempre, wag nyo kalimutan ng mais talaga. Ang sarap. Bango.
At meron silang cherry tomato.
talaga. Cherry
Meron
tomato.
cherry tomato from SC Market.
Yes, fresh na fresh
From
the
Thai
farm.
farm.
Bongga talaga, SC Market. Invite them po, madam. Saan ba yung located ang shop?
Ito po tayo sa SC Market. It was located in Exhibition Road. Malapit po sa...
Opposite lang ng ano. Opposite
Gossi.
lang siya ng Gossi Mall. Oo.
Yes, mga kasansi, once again, SC Market, di ba? Laging fresh ang gulay dyan.
Fresh na
From Thai Mart. Thai Farm.
Thai Farm sa Tabli. Visit nyo rin doon.
Iso fresh. Okay.
Thank you so much. All right, yes mga kasansi, kasama natin. We are here together with from the Thai Embassy.
Thai Embassy.
Mr.
Sweet. Hi, Sodika.
Thank you.
How are you? Congratulations.
Thank you.
Celebration of Songkran here in Bahrain. All right.
So far.
Yes, so far.
3-day celebrations, no?
Yes, on
Songkran.
Saturday.
Till Saturday.
Yes.
So Songkran is a water festival. They are not just only celebrating here, but in the whole Thailand, correct?
Yes. The whole Thailand and also everywhere in the world.
Everywhere in the world, Songkran, no?
The celebration everywhere where the Thai people are, we celebrate there. And actually, everyone is welcome to celebrate with us together. Yeah.
All right.
So we are so thankful also to the Kingdom of Bahrain that we are celebrating this kind of festival here. All right. You want to tell something about in Bahrain?
So you are very welcome to join us to celebrate the Songkran Festival here with the Thai food, Thai products, and Thai cultural performance. We have dances, we have Muay Thai, we have cooking show. So please come and enjoy our Thai culture and hope that you're gonna love Thai.
And it's a 3-day celebration.
Yes, it's 3 days. So yes,
Thursday,
that's
Friday, and Saturday.
and Saturday at Oasis Mall Fair.
This is small to fair.
We miss this. We miss the Thai food every time. All right.
We would like to thank you for
That food is the best, huh?
the best,
The best.
And we would like to thanks to Brandme and to Thai Embassy for the organizing this kind of event.
Congratulations.
Thank you for coming as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Salamat.
Salamat po.
Alright.
Pilay ka.
Hello, alright mga kasansi, kasama natin ang the Queen of Entertainment
Amen.
sa Bahrain.
Yes, the queen of
Oo.
every event.
Oo, ang pasimuno.
Promotor.
Promotor. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, from Brandme, the founder and CEO, Miss
Christina Fulgencio.
Hi, Miss Christina.
Hello, sawadee ka.
It's another milestone. na naman.
Congratulations talaga.
Oo, I must remember this is our second year coverage na.
Yes. Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Nandito na naman tayo sa ikalawang edisyon ng Songkran Thai Festival 2025. Yes.
Ano ba ang mga mawi-witness dito ng ating mga attendees?
Yes, so syempre we are here from today, May 1, 2, 3, to celebrate yung Songkran Thai Festival. Actually, nung April yon, mid-April, but we decided to do it para kasi holiday.
Oo, kasi syempre labor.
Exactly. So for the next 3 days, syempre aside from our 15 bazaar, Thai food vendors, and yung mga retail and accessory products, we also have yung kanilang Thai cultural dances. Meron din sila yung Muay Thai exhibition. Yes. Tapos yung nangyayari nga yung Thai cooking show. Yes. So, every day yan, meron silang live cooking.
Yes.
Actually, yung ating guest chef, she is the chef's ambassador. Yes. So, yung natutulungan siya talaga yung ambassador ng chef dito sa Bahrain.
Ng Thai Embassy.
Ng Thai Embassy, of
So
course.
right now, I think yung live cooking niya is
Yes.
Pad Thai.
Tapos na, vermicelli na.
Vermicelli na. Okay.
Iba naman. So, we invite yung mga nandito to join para you can also learn how to make it, diba? Tapos aside from that, we also have a live acoustic duo later in the evening. Merong mga kakanta. Filipino yun actually. Filipino yun. Tapos, tomorrow is Friday, ang much-awaited na Songkran Talent Competition.
May talent competition.
We have 19 contestants
Wow.
joining. So, merong category for kids. May 10 kids joining for the talent competition. Tapos, merong 9 din na singing, dancing, guitar, piano. Tapos, mixed nationality. We have Thai, Filipino, Indian, may British. So, maraming sumali din na
Talent show.
Thai.
Ito yung bago ngayon sa Songkran.
Yan. Lagi talaga ang brand me talaga. Hindi mo talaga ibang level, hindi magpapahuli. talagang lagi yung may mga bagong pakulo.
Tsaka tatatak talaga every year, iba-iba ang
Oo.
mga paganap, diba? Ayan.
So yun, tapos meron din tayong mga activities for Saturday, of course. We still have the live acoustic show.
Live acoustic show.
Tapos meron pa tayong we have participation from Kokay School. This is a Thai school. This is under the Thai embassy. So mga Thai kids yun. They have
Thai
their own
kids.
performances. They will start tomorrow as well. So meron silang 4 shows na inihanda para sa atin tomorrow. Because we have the Thai community involved, heavily involved. So sila talaga yung nag-push na magawa tong event na to. And because Brand Me loves the community, so this is our way of giving back to the different communities of Bahrain. Yun.
At yun naman talaga nating inaay, Mama Biba, no? The Brand Me na may dumaan ulit.
At saka hindi, alam mo,
Oo.
ang Thai people and Filipino community, talagang engaged
Close
sila sa
talaga,
isa't
engaged
isa.
talaga sa isa't isa. Lalo pa sa tulong ng Brand Me.
Walang Brand Me.
Napapalapit
oo.
tayo, mas lalo tayo napapalapit sa mga Thai community natin.
Exactly.
Ayan.
So,
Alright. Ay, binibigyan tayo ng pagkain.
What's this? It's alive! Wow!
Vermicelli.
Vermicelli! So ito po
Fresh
yung
na fresh.
fresh na
Lang.
nila live cooking nila kanina. After nung pata, ito na po yung vermicelli. Wow!
Bongga.
Looks good.
It's good.
So, at least hindi lang yung culture nila, pati yung food nila na po-promote natin dito sa
Ito ngayon na-miss namin eh. Yung Thai food, grabe. Grabe na kami.
May mga Thai street food din dito. Mga tusok-tusok.
yes.
Silang ganyan. Uso rin yan sa Thailand. So, anyway, so that's what we're doing for the next 3 days. And sana po, magpunta po kayo dito. I-enjoy nyo po ang Thai food at ang Thai culture na malapit din sa ating mga Pilipino.
Of course.
Exactly.
Lagi naman.
Brand Me is all about community events.
Wow.
At yun ang aming purpose, basically.
Sa new tagline.
Yung tag, talagang pasok na pasok sa Global Philippines.
Brand
Yan,
Me.
Brand. Alright mga kasansi, once again from Brand Me, Miss Christina! Thank you so much!
Kapon ka!
Kapon ka!
Aloy me.
Aloy! Aloy! Alright, yes mga kasansi, we are here now together, the new appointed Thailand ambassador to
Yes.
Bahrain. Please welcome Mr.
Sumet.
Sumet. Hello, sir.
How are you, sir? Welcome to Bahrain.
Thank you very much, and this is my 4th month here in Bahrain.
Missing you.
Yeah, I'm really a new fan here. I'm a newly appointed ambassador.
So how do you find Bahrain now?
You know that it's in Thailand and Bahrain, we have a very close, long-lasting relationship for more than 30-40 years. And when I first arrived here, you know, I just find that this country is very lovely country.
Yes.
And people is super nice.
But be ready on the weather.
Hot weather. Also, Thailand, we are Filipino. We are really love Thailand, especially the Thai food.
Thai food.
Yes, all restaurants here we eat already. No?
Most of the Filipinos, they always visiting Thai restaurant because we really love and there's a similarity of your food from our food. Yeah.
You know, Thai people and Filipino people, we are very close. Our community here and very close, and even the one who helped organize this event, the Thai festival, we have 2025. We have the company, the name under the name Brand Me.
Yeah.
And the Brand Me, we have the co-owners among the Thai and Filipino. So we are really help this organize this event together.
We are so very much happy because this is our 2nd year celebration. From the first year, we are covering also. There's a lot of Thailand products and Thailand food that we missed.
And Thai shows as well, like the Muay Thai.
Thailand, we have a lot to offer. We are very old nation, 700 years old, and so we under kingship and uninterrupted, and never been colonized by any country. So that's why we can uphold the culture heritage. Now in many areas, just like languages, culture, custom, tradition, and So for the Thai festival, we consider as the soft power of Thailand. So during the Thai festival 2025, we have a lot to offer as well. So we would like to demonstrate so many things. I mean, mainly just like a food cooking show and food demonstration. And tomorrow, I think we're gonna have the flute carving. Flute carving.
Yeah, fruit carving.
Yes.
And also, there's a new one, the talent show.
The talent show.
This one, there is a Bataan.
It will happen on tomorrow and after tomorrow.
We open the opportunity for the young generation and then to show their talent, you know, because the world is really depend on the young generation and they are the future. So we would like to provide the platform for them to show
The talent.
the talent, you know, what are they capable of.
Yeah. Please visit our viewers for the 3-day celebration of
What can you tell
Songkran.
them?
You know, don't believe anyone. You have to come to see by yourself, you know.
That's very true.
Right. Don't believe anyone. Don't listen to anyone. You have to prove. And
It's a
come
3-day celebration.
Yeah, the 3-day down is the only first day. We will still have 2 more days.
Yes.
And I know that during this week, we have 3-day, a long holiday, right? In Bahrain. So spare 1 or 2 days to come to visit here at the Oasis Mall. So we do have a lot of offer. And you can buy a lot of things like a Thai food, Thai product, and to witness the cultural performance here.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ambassador, and we are so happy that you are here and welcome. And of course, we are looking forward to staying long time here in Bahrain. All right.
Once again, the Thai Embassy Ambassador
For
is
Bahrain.
Sume.
So
Thank you for everybody. Thank you for interviewing me today. So hope to see everybody tomorrow, or maybe we still have time, right? And then maybe not today, or maybe tomorrow, or the day after tomorrow.
Yes, we have a lots of moments to be shared.
update.
We're always
Still holiday,
there.
yeah.
For every Thai community event, we're always there.
All right, thank you so much, Kapun ka. Kapun ka, sir. Kapun ka. Thank you. Alright mga kasansi, kasama naman natin ngayon ang pinakabagong ano to, nagtitrending online.
Oo, even sa TikTok may nagti-TikTok talaga.
Ito yung ano nila, mga pausong corn dog ngayon.
Yes.
Nandito na ngayon sa Bahrain. Ketchup and mayo! Yes, kasama natin. Ayan o.
It's
diba?
all by Filipino.
Kung alam mo
Yes.
yung El Padrinos, ito yung anak.
Yes,
Kuya
kaya
Raul.
yun.
Oo.
Talagang nalilinya sila sa mga pagkain.
Pagkain, di ba?
Oo.
Kamusta?
Diba? Heart trap na heart trap.
Oo nga eh. Parang sarap kumain dito lagi. Di ba? Alright, invite them, no?
Hello mga kabayan, bisita po kayo dito, Ketchup and Mayo, para sa Songkran Thai Festival. Meron po tayong iba't ibang klaseng Thai food, dyan ang iba't ibang brands, syempre, and Ketchup and Mayo, supportahan niyo po kami, salamat!
Yes. Support
Mga
Pilipino to.
Mga kasansi, it's 3 days celebration. 3 days din nandito ang Ketchup and Mayo.
Oh, ayan.
Days, from May 1 today until Saturday, andito po kami. Salamat!
Ayan, thank you so much ha. Nako, the best to. Masarap.
Ketchup
Grabe.
and Mayo.
Sawadee-ka! Ayan! Mga kasansi, kasama natin ang Tayo Studio! Alam mo, nakaka-inspire itong magkapatid na to.
Yes,
Grabe, no?
oo. At saka silang kahit na in their younger age,
Yes.
talagang lumarakit na sila.
Talagang we are so happy na nakaka-proud. They are half Filipino, half another nationality. Pero pusong Pinoy talaga.
Pero makikita mo sila for every event.
Yes! They will give
Right now,
Meron tayong
ayan.
flower. Thank you, Miss Rek. Thank you. Bongga. Ayan. Ayan kasama. Ay, ang cute!
Oh, so
Wow,
nice.
ang ganda! Ang ganda, grabe! So nice.
Yeah, this is our second year. Dito na
Yes.
Songkran.
So nice, mga kasansi.
You remembered? Yung Malaysian at saka yung Songkran.
Oo.
May mga pictures sila sa kanila. May mga pictures
Yes.
tayo sa kanila.
Correct. At talagang halabira pa ha. Halabira pa yan.
Pira, yes.
Baliksaya pa yan. Naku mga kasansi, Talo Studio. Ito yung kanilang mga social media at contact number. Maasahan nyo yan.
Yes. Pag kailangan nyo ng mga photo booth,
Photo booth,
Yes.
coverage, yan.
Diyan ang
Talo Studio. Ayan, thank you so much, Talo Studio.
Yeah. I like them. They're very
Very,
approachable.
very approachable.
Yes.
Napakabait. Thank
Talo
you.
Studio.
Alright mga kasansi, na-miss natin. We miss already this one. From Thai Farm pa lang, Mama Biba. ha?
Yes, Thai Park.
Yes, alright mga kasansi, please welcome from Thailand, Miss Lek! Hi, Miss Lek!
Hi, how are you?
Sawadee ka!
Kamusta po?
You're so busy ha, Miss Lek ha? But I like your outfit.
Yes.
Mga kasansi,
I really-
you see.
wow, it's so
Thailand
nice.
outfit. I will borrow later ha.
Is this the Thai dress or inspired?
It's like Fatim.
Ah.
This is a new generation. This is the old generation.
The old so it's mixed. Wow. But the come out is so nice.
So nice.
I swear, yeah, it's so nice.
Very fashionistic outfit. Like this,
Yeah.
Thank you.
So nice.
Sweet, ah.
Really?
Yeah. I swear.
You become
yes.
slim right now.
Happy now.
Yeah. You are not eating more, huh?
You're busy. You know.
Yes, Lek, invite everyone.
Okay, now we are.
Big celebration.
Yes, po. Now we are at Oasis Mall, Jufair. We have Songkran Festival from 1st, 2nd, 3rd May. Tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, the event start from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So make sure you come join us. Plenty of nice foods and some retails.
Also, the new one now, the talent show.
Talent show, no?
Yeah. Tomorrow, talent show starts 7 p.m. Don't forget to come and give us cheers.
Yeah.
A lot of Filipino jokes.
Oh,
I
nice.
think 19 contenders.
Yes, po.
And we are so very much happy. We miss the Thai food, Miss Lek. We miss the Songkran Festival. So this year, congratulations for your 2 years, ha?
Thank you po. Thank you.
And it's already 2 years na we are covering Songkran.
Thank you for the support.
Here, yes.
You are
Of
so
course,
kind.
we will love Thailand. Of course, we
Yeah.
love Thailand. Yes, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
Once again mga kasansi, Miss Lek.
Miss Lek of SC Market.
SC Market, Saifar. Alright, yes mga kasansi, it's a blast. Talaga na naman nakakatuwa at sobrang saya. As we celebrate the second Songkran Festival dito po sa Bahrain.
Sobrang napagod ako sa...
Oo, kakaikot natin talaga, di ba? Talagang, we're so thankful to Thailand community for giving this.
Of course, sa Thai Embassy.
Yes, at syempre ang brand me.
Of course.
Supported by Oasis
Mall.
Oo, thank you so much. Talagang happy tayo, no? Nakaikot tayo. Siyempre, nakausap natin yung bagong Thailand ambassador.
Oo, at saka, medyo nananahimik ako kasi nabusog ako sa Thai food.
Kaya kain ka ng kain eh. Kain ng kain to mga kasansi.
At sarap talaga.
Alright, syempre maraming salamat to the Miss Lek. Shoutout sa iyo kay Miss Christina ng Brani. Thank you so much. Siyempre nakita natin sa atin, Annette. Ayan, shoutout din.
Ang SC Market Accessories. Ang Ashcar Clinic.
Correct. Thank you so much. And of course,
Shada.
Oo, sa lahat po ng mga bumisita at nagpunta sa ating 3-day celebration. Thank you so much. Kapon ka!
Yes, thank you so much!
Alright, yes mga kasansi, patuloy pa rin po ang inyong pag-subscribe, pag-like at pag-share sa ating mga social media accounts.
Yes.
Narin pa ang ating Facebook page,
Ang ating TikTok,
syempre ang YouTube.
at ang ating Instagram.
Yes! Alright mga kasansi, syempre Mama Viva.
Yes, of course mga kasansi. If you are looking for any STC line, like SIM Broadband, Voice SIM, Fiber and 5G, please contact 330-404-73 and all the legit agents from STC will deliver a request at your doorstep.
Yes, at syempre kapon ka everyone. So nice to celebrate Songkran 2025. So happy. At syempre pa, maraming salamat sa ating mga production from our cinematographer,
Sa ating wardrobe,
yes, at syempre sa ating artful,
ang makeup artist
makeup
natin.
artist. Thank you so much. Alright, maraming salamat mga kasansi. Enjoy lang tayo sa Songkran 2025! Mga kasansi, this has been Sam
And Chris,
the podcast! Songkran! Ano tawag dito?
Ketchup and mayo.
Yes, ketchup and
Yes.
mayo.
Kasi,
May amos ka.
ano?
May amos. Ayun ito.
Ay, yung ano, sotak mo.
Okay. Ano